Hello everyone, my name is lang4030. Today I'm going to present you our final year project that is a machine learning based quantitative trading strategy. To start with, let me give you an overview of our project. The goal of this project is to present a powerful machine learning based model for individual trader that is superior to the return of the corresponding comparison asset that we choose. For instance, S&P 500 for US stocks or a fixed deposit of USDT for cryptocurrency. This machine learning based model will be based on K-mean optics, long short-term memory, and recurring neural network. We will also evaluate the effectiveness of the ML-based comparing to non-ML-based trading approach in different assets, for instance, option stocks, future, and forex. Moving on, those are the methodology of our trading approach. And to start with, let me give you a brief review of our progress. So the work of our project is divided into four, in which Thomas will be in charge of the implementation of the recurrent neural network. And this model will be changed by random forex classifier, exchange classifier, ADA-based classifier, and gradient boosting classifier. Moving on, let's talk about my part. So my model is to build a Monte Carlo method trading strategy in which I will conduct a moving average conversion and divergent approach with randomization to try to approximate the market. And next, Wiki will be in charge of the long short-term memory, in which in this model, he will be utilize the model to predict the stock price under S&P and try to optimize the portfolio allocation using mean variance or other methods. And Marco will be in charge of the implementation of the optics and K-means. So this model will be implemented with Python sklearn and tested with some pair trading strategy. So along the way, we have actually encountered several difficulties. For instance, with the complexity of the real-world environment, forecasting the future movement of the underlying asset based on some very simple approach may simply be very ambiguous. So the biggest challenge we expect to face will be the generalization and the accuracy of our model, because it's a very difficult task to create an accurate model with machine learning that can perform well over time. And regarding our ML and non-ML based strategy, by far we have finished the to connect the price data from Bloomberg terminal and build the database and data factor from it. Also, we have actually implement the ML-based trading strategy, randomized-based strategy, and some pair trading strategy successfully. And also the price data of the S&P 500 is also downloaded and evaluated such that the third pairs of stocks are selected for future evaluation. So basically, our model will be based on Python because more machine learning models are built with Python. And also our data will come from two sources. The first one will be the Bloomberg terminal, and the second one will be the interactive broker API, because we have find those two data providers are very reliable. And for the summary, we expect to extract core catalysts on the price of the underlying asset by figuring out the rationale behind price action, for instance, mean revision and IV crash. With the ease of computational power, machine learning leverage data to explain some real-world phenomena. To examine our system efficiency, we will also test this on a variety of time frames and different access. So to forecast consistently profitable trades, we also need to filter out some of the bad profitable trades. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you.